Hey friends, Todd back here, video 2 on the one-page planner. And so the first step that we did was to pick an area of our life that needs some planning, that we need to set a goal in, that we need to improve. Now, I did this a little bit more than a year ago, and I set some health goals using the one-page planner. And so I'm just going to walk you through the next part of the exercise. And you can see up here, I have written physical, the physical category. Now, what you would do with the one-page planner at this point is just turn the sheet over. Or if you've got a giant whiteboard like I do, I call it my brain because I'm always collecting ideas, writing them on the whiteboard, and then transferring them to things like Evernote or Asana, my project management software. But it starts up here. So you would turn the sheet over, and then at the top of the sheet, now there's two ways to do this. At the top of the sheet, you write the category that you want to plan. So I've got the physical category. And then here's what you do. You just start writing ideas down. Now, a couple of ways to do this is you write one idea here, and then you would go to the bottom of the page and write the second idea there. And then you would just alternate ideas. So I've got, just 6 random samples up here. Hey, and it can be anything. Hey, cut calories. Okay, that's one way to get healthy. Then the second one was, hey, I need to lose 50 pounds. There's no rhyme or reason. There's no magic to the formula here. You're just writing down whatever comes to your mind in this category. So, lose 50 pounds. Another one, hey, I'll try the keto diet. Another idea was, hey, maybe keto's a little too strict. Maybe I'll do Atkins. Another goal might be, hey, I'm going to drop 2 dress sizes, or a couple of inches in my pants, or hey, I want to cinch my belt another belt loop tighter. I want to be able to do that. Here, join a gym. That would be something that I need to do. So that's one way of doing this, is just kind of the up down sort of random idea generator. Another way to do this is through drawing circles on the back of your page. And again, you can try it this way, you can try it that way, you can do both. You've got the PDF, you can print this out 100 times. Try it whatever way you want to. But I've got the same ideas. I've written physical here in the center, and then I've written the same ideas just sort of randomly. So what you want to do is two things. Maybe you set a timer for 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes. Anything longer than that's probably going to be a while. I mean, it's kind of a long stretch of time there, anything past 10 minutes. And here's the key. Whatever method you use on the back of the planner here, don't stop writing. Keep writing. You write down, I want to save $1,000. I want to start investing in the stock market. Oh, I need to open up an IRA. I need to open up a CD account. And you just keep writing. And when you run out of ideas, you write, I don't know what to write. I've run out of ideas. You just keep going for the allotted time, because as you keep writing, you will get more ideas. There's a guy named Dawson Trotman. He's been gone many years now, but he used to say this: thoughts disentangle themselves when they pass through the lips and the fingertips. So through the allotted time, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, a half hour, however long you want to do it, don't stop writing. And again, it doesn't matter if you do the sort of linear method here or sort of the random circle method. Do both. And then at the end, we're going to collect all the ideas and we're going to go to the next step.